Good morning guys. Guys, sakay tayo sa Cebu Pacific, biyahing Davao City. Guys, nandito tayo sa Ninoy Aquino International Airport. Road trip sana tayo guys, kaso lang tayo sa runway, kaya runway trip na tayo ngayon. Sama tayo guys, tara, fly high. Guys, madaanan natin yung Cebu Pacific Hangar. Laki ng eroplano guys, nandito sa labas, nakikita natin. Ayan ang maganda dito guys, nakikita mo yung mga view ng mga eroplano kasi nasa runway ang trip natin. Ayan guys, nasa kaliwa natin guys, laki niya, nakaparada. Cebu Pacific hangar nila yan guys. Tingin ka sa kalangitan guys, may parating na aeroplano maglanding dito sa harapan natin guys, sa kaliwa. Yan, dumaan sa harap natin guys. Kasunod pala natin makikita ang Philippine Airlines hangar. Andito rin sila guys, nakikita natin.
Try to hurt me and that's so low. When I talk to you about it, you're in defense mode. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. How can we work on ourselves when you say no? Whoa, oh, oh, oh. I'll never go on like this, so don't you think you got me up? Yeah, I can't seem to deal with this. You try so hard to pull me in.
No more lies. She got me hooked up.
Well, she pulling me in like a black hole, trapped in a grip and I can't break. Out of control and I can't feel my soul and my heart and my damn face. Cause I ain't be nothing without her. A king with no queen and no damn kingdom, serving up hate with a cold vengeance. Fuck but I hate her, we can't slay them. Yeah, she's got me hooked, I'm down a ride. Leaving, she tried to kill me, I can see it in her eyes. Yeah, she's got me shook, this my demise. I'm bleeding, can someone heal me? I can't deal with no more lies.
I'll never go on like this, so don't you think you got me up? Yeah, I can't seem to deal with this. You try
Guys, palakas na ng palakas sa takbo ng aeroplano guys. Malapit na tayong umangat guys. Ayan, ayan, ayan. Umangat na guys, aangat na. Ayan, umangat na tayo guys. Lapit na tayo mabot sa langit. Ayan, ang buong Metro Manila guys. Kita nyo guys. Sama-sama tayo guys hanggang pagdating sa Davao International Airport. Nandito na tayo sa ibabaw ng langit. Guys, umalis pala tayo sa Aquino International Airport 10:35 AM. Estimated arrival sa Davao City at 12:35 PM na. Halos 1:45 minutes ang flight natin guys sa kabuuan. Guys, samahan nyo kami hanggang paglapag natin sa Davao International Airport.
stations.
Guys, nandito na tayo guys. Yung nakita mo nga bundok, Mindanao na po yan. Malapit na tayo lumapag guys. Kaunti na lang. Lalapak na tayo. Ayan na guys, naririnig na natin yung kalampag ng gulong. Parang binababa na ng piloto natin. Mga sandali guys, lalapag na tayo sa Davao International Airport. Yan, touchdown na tayo sa Davao International Airport. Pa-U-turn na tayo, U-turn na tayo guys.
Hello everyone, Cebu Pacific welcomes you to Davao International Airport. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure you didn't leave any of your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening doors. Once again, we ask that you keep your area clean and tidy. Kindly clear your seat pockets of any remaining litter. And please bring this with you as you leave your seats. You may dispose this in the bins near the exit. We seek your cooperation in ensuring that no litter is left behind the aircraft. Thank you. Be advised that Davao is implementing an anti-smoking ordinance. It is unlawful for any person to smoke in public areas. Let us help keep Davao a smoke-free zone. Thank you. And for guests needing assistance, such as wheelchair, you are advised to deplane last using the front door only for proper ground endorsement. Thank you.